Hello, it's Hunley's Happy Trails. I just finished cleaning up with the skid steer. It's currently off. It's day 17, I think. Something like that. We've got one grower going. We didn't do a video yesterday. We were kind of tired and didn't get around to it. But anyway, we have one grower that has a lot of acreage apparently, and so we're still going. I believe we're one of the last stations that are open. I'm not sure on that, but anyway, everyone's kind of tired. To tell you the truth, it feels a little like Groundhog Day. At this point, at 17 days, you kind of wake up and to the same song on the radio and go in and do the same thing, and at this point the same 6 trucks, and so you the only thing that kind of differs is we were cleaning piler 1 yesterday, but that's all clean, and of course we can't clean piler 2 until we're done. So that's where we stand. Some people, the crews are dwindling. Some people are leaving. They've got other things to go to. They have their vacation is up. Some people take vacations to do this job on their regular work, so they have to get back to work. Generally, you don't anticipate a harvest going this long unless there's a lot of shutdown days, which actually I would have liked personally a bit more if there were a few more days where we had shut down and we kind of had some days off. To give you an idea of how unusual, last year I think we ended up having 5 days off, or 5 nights off on the night shift, and this year we have had basically a total of 10 hours off in about 16 or 17 12-hour shifts. So it definitely has been a long haul this year for a lot of reasons. It was slow in the beginning because it was wet, and now we've got the one grower who doesn't have all of their beets out yet. Anyway, that is all I have to say about that. Looks like there's a truck coming on that side, and I'll see if it's my turn for a break once I get outside the skid steer. Bye. And one more note. Tired. That's my note. There's Natalie at the scale house. No trucks coming, and we're waiting on the sample truck.
Yep.
And
those are the samples.
those are the samples. They have to be loaded on. It's a nice warm day it turned out to be. What's the temperature?
65.
All right.
It might get up to 68.
Might get up to 68. So we're checking temperatures of beets. Right now they're about an average internal temperature of about 42. So we're not in danger. That's all.